Hello everyone. Today we'll be carrying out a small discussion on the application of trend projection method or regression analysis method for forecasting or estimating the demand or sales for a particular future time period when we are given the actual sales data for some previous time periods. For example, if you look at the given table, if you look at these two columns, the first column which is whose heading is year, and the second column whose heading is sales. Now, in the first column, several time periods have been mentioned, and against each time period, the sales value has been mentioned. Now, all these sales values are actual sales values which has already occurred in the past. If you look carefully at all these time periods are past time periods, previous time periods. Now, we are been given this data. I mean, the actual sales of some previous time periods. For example, the actual sales which took place in 2005, which took place in the year 2005 is 13. The actual sales which took place in the year 2006 is 20, and so on till 2013. Right. So all these data pertain to the actual sales that took place during these time periods. This much data are given to us, and we have been asked to predict or forecast or estimate the expected demand or sales of a particular future time period. Now, thing is that how to do it? By applying trend projection method or regression analysis method of forecasting. This method is also known as least square method or straight line method. Now, to proceed, the first thing we need to do is to fit a straight line to the given data. We need to fit a straight line to this given data. Now, how to do it? Now, as all of us know, the basic equation of a straight line, let me show you the basic equation of a straight line. This one is the basic equation of a straight line. The basic equation of a straight line is of this form: yt is equal to a plus bx. Now, what is yt? Yt is the forecasted or estimated future sales or future demand. To be more specific, it is the forecasted sales or estimated sales for any future time period. Now, what is x? X is the deviation of any time period from the mean time period. Now, simply by going through this sentence that x is the deviation of any time period from the mean time period, it will not be possible for you to understand the basic concept of x unless and until I explain you in detail about the concept of x, which I'll be definitely doing. In fact, the major portion of today's discussion will be on that only. And in this equation, a and b are nothing but constants. So, in order to apply this equation for finding out or for forecasting or estimating the sales or demand for any future time period, we need to know the values of a and b, or in other words, we need to find out the values of a and b. In order to find out the values of a and b, we need two different equations because there are two different unknowns. Those unknowns are a and b.